Hello friends, here again. Now we will see the co-cycle relationship, how each element controls another element. So this is wood, wood controls earth. Okay, now here is one example of the treatment. Okay, so we have to reduce the earth element by increasing the wood element, because the earth element is troubling the patient. The body has become heavy. He has got too much of cough, lethargy, not feeling like doing anything. So this wood has to be increased. Okay, wood means liver meridian and earth means spleen meridian. So in this case, you increase the energy of wind, because wind is the energy of wood. Increase the wind energy and decrease the earth energy, that is on spleen. So you have to use two meridians. One is liver and second is spleen. Now which points to be used, we will not discuss now. Presently you only remember this. The one who is giving trouble has to be reduced, means make less. One who is controlling it has to be increased. Let us see another example. If there is fever, so fever is controlled by water, correct? So in this case, which meridians, two meridians you will use? The heart meridian and the kidney meridian. Okay, so the heart meridian has to be made down and kidney meridian has to made up. What it is called, which points to be used, forget it now. Just use the principle that one which is giving trouble to be reduced, one which is controlling it to be increased. One more example. Suppose there is too much of pain in your muscles. So muscles are which meridian? Liver meridian. Okay. Now liver is controlled by lung meridian. Okay. So let us see how it can be done. See, lung is controlling the liver. So you have to use liver, you should be made down and lung should be made up. Liver should go down. Then this pain will stop. Okay, one more example. If there is very sharp muscular pain and there the heat is required, so let us see how it can be controlled. This is fire controlling metal. If there is a metallic pain like cutting of some instrument, say blade or chaku, somebody has been hit, you want to reduce that pain, you have to reduce the metal element and increase the fire element. Okay, so that pain is like as if somebody has cut you, the cutting type pain. So you have to increase the fire and reduce the dryness. Because of dryness there will be pain. See, when the door hinges are dry, it makes sound. That is pain in the door. So you are putting oil in that. So that is getting all right now. So oil is this type. And one more example we will take. Suppose you are feeling very cold, shivering. Then which meridian you will use? Two meridians. One is coldness meridian, that is water meridian, that is kidney. Another is spleen. So you have to decrease this coldness and increase this humidity. This way your shivering will stop. Now we have to also think of yin and yang. Suppose the shivering is acute Then you use urinary bladder meridian, and here you use stomach meridian. So stomach should be increased, bladder should be decreased. Okay? So tomorrow we'll go more further in this 5 elements and their treatments and how they react with each other. Thank you very much. Have a good day.